Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to take control of your finances and track your spending effectively, Quicken is an excellent tool to help you achieve your financial goals. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to track your spending using Quicken. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Set up your Quicken account. If you don't have a Quicken account yet, download the software or app and create an account. Follow the prompts to set up your financial institution by entering your bank and account details. This will allow Quicken to automatically fetch your transactions. Step 2. Link your financial accounts. Once you've created your account, navigate to the Accounts section. Click on Add Account and select the type of account: bank, credit card, investment, etc. you want to link. Enter your online banking credentials or use the secure connection method to sync accounts. Step 3. Categorize your transactions. After linking your accounts, Quicken will download your recent transactions. Go through these transactions and categorize them. Click on any transaction to edit its category. You can create new categories or use the default ones provided by Quicken. Consistent categorization helps you see where your money is going and helps in budget planning. Step 4. Set up a monthly budget. Navigate to the Planning menu and select Budgets. Here, you can create a new budget or modify an existing one. Set limits for each category based on your spending habits and financial goals. Quicken will automatically track your spending against these budgeted amounts. Step 5. Track and monitor your spending. Regularly check the spending reports in Quicken to review your categorized transactions. Use the Reports section to analyze your spending patterns. You can generate monthly reports to see how well you are sticking to your budget. Look for trends in your spending habits. This awareness can aid in making necessary adjustments. Step 6. Set financial goals. In Quicken, you can set specific financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Navigate to the Goals section and input your objectives. Quicken will track how much you need to save or pay each month to meet these goals. Step 7. Review regularly. Make it a habit to review your finances weekly or monthly. Check your budgets, spending reports, and overall financial health. Adjust your budget and financial goals as needed based on your review. Quicken makes it easy to update and manage your finances efficiently. By following these steps, you can easily track your spending with Quicken and gain better control of your financial situation. For more tips on managing your finances and maximizing your Quicken experience, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Happy budgeting!